Is it time to buy or sell Interactive Brokers Group stock? In this video, we will delve into Interactive Brokers Group. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 20th of August, 2025. And now, we are here to present an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since August 20th, 2025, our system has ranked Interactive Brokers Group as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -2.34. Now, let's examine the stock's performance throughout this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the days ahead. The stock is currently positioned at the upper part of a very wide and declining trend in the short term. This situation often presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders as a reaction toward the lower part of the trend is anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $83.20 could initially suggest a slower rate of decline and may represent the first indication of a potential trend shift. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 67.91% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between -100% and -57.25%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of -21.17%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance over the next year could vary from -47.78% to +161.48%. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $32.61 and $163.31. Our latest daily update for Interactive Brokers Group includes the headline, Evaluation of Interactive Brokers Group stock downgraded after the last trading session. The Interactive Brokers Group stock price gained approximately 0.0721% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 20th of August, 2025. The price rose from 62.41 to 62.46. During this trading session, the stock fluctuated by 4.16%, reaching a low of $60.06 and a high of $62.56. The price has increased in 7 out of the last 10 days, although it is still down by 2.14% over this period. Additionally, trading volume increased on the last day, alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator. In total, 2 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, with 6 million shares exchanging hands for a total of approximately $349.09 million. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $236.53, while the lowest was $49.30. Currently, the stock price is 73.60% or $174.08, below the 52-week high of $236.53, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Interactive Brokers is in the news this week for product launches, regional expansion, and renewed investor interest. The firm rolled out Connections, a discovery tool designed to surface trading ideas, a move that can enhance platform engagement and increase order flow and ancillary revenues if adoption is strong. It also expanded IBKR Light and Zero Commission U.S. stock trading to Singapore, broadening retail reach in Asia. This can elevate client volumes but may compress fees in the short term as scale is built. Recent headlines naming IBKR among crypto-linked and investment banking beneficiaries connect the firm to Bitcoin cycles and a broader financial services rebound, driven by mergers and acquisitions and artificial intelligence efficiency gains. Remember, the stock experienced a sharp one-day drop after the company announced it would not capture a particular revenue stream in an Asian rollout, highlighting execution and regulatory risks. In the short term, expect volatility driven by headlines and fluctuations in volume. In the long term, product innovation, global expansion, and secular tailwinds support revenue growth. tempered by margin pressure and execution risk. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 1st of May 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned IBKR a buy grade while recommending a hold action. On the same day, it was noted that Barclays rated IBKR with a hold grade, also suggesting a hold action. Again, on Thursday, the 1st of May 2025, Piper Sandler assigned IBKR an overweight grade with a recommendation to hold. Earlier, on Wednesday, the 16th of April 2025, Barclays had given IBKR an overweight grade along with a hold action. Finally, on Saturday, the 1st of February 2025, Goldman Sachs assigned IBKR a buy grade, also recommending a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Interactive Brokers Group stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as sell. The following signals have been identified for Interactive Brokers Group. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, the 23rd of June 2025, and so far it has risen by 23.6%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. The volume is rising alongside the price, which is regarded as a positive technical signal. However, some negative signals have also been issued, and these may influence the near-term development. The stock of Interactive Brokers Group displays sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more pessimistic forecast for the stock. During upward corrections, there will be resistance at the levels of $63.84 and $62.50. A breakout above either of these levels will generate buy signals. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal from 42 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 33 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 42 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal from 7 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal from 8 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 8 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Interactive Brokers Group. Interactive Brokers Group finds support from accumulated volume at $59.43, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock is typically traded at a good volume, and with minor daily changes, the risk is considered to be low. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $2.50, or 4.16% between its high and low. For the past week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 2.83%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Interactive Brokers Group, let's quickly cover some essential, fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This PE ratio is considered relatively normal, often observed in businesses with established histories or stable revenue streams. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 21st of October, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates project earnings of 49 cents per share. It's important to keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Interactive Brokers Group. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Interactive Brokers Group is at $63.49. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could serve as a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, Interactive Brokers Group faces its first support level at $59.43. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Interactive Brokers Group from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were executed by Nemzer Earl H., who bought and sold 252,586 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of 21.804. Overall, insiders purchased 1,893,569 shares and sold 1,699,532 shares in the last 100 trades. We hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss currently in place. Is Interactive Brokers Group stock a good buy? Interactive Brokers Group holds several negative signals and is currently in a very wide and declining trend, suggesting it will likely continue to perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we have a negative evaluation of this stock. Due to minor weaknesses in the technical aspects, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock from a buy to a sell candidate since our last evaluation. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 21st of August, we expect Interactive Brokers Group to open lower by approximately 763 of a dollar, beginning to trade at $61.69. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.